you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, this recipe is perfect for any weeknight dinner. Imagine the aroma of fresh garlic sizzling in olive oil, the rich, tangy tomatoes bubbling away, and the fragrant basil adding that final touch of magic. This sauce is not only quick to make, but also brings the warmth and comfort of a homemade meal to your table. Ready to transform your dinner routine? Let's get cooking! First, let's start with our ingredients. We have onions, garlic, fresh tomatoes, olive oil, salt, pepper, and some fresh basil. Simple, right? These humble ingredients are the backbone of many classic Italian dishes. They come together to create flavors that are both rich and comforting, yet incredibly easy to prepare. Begin by finely chopping the onions and garlic. The key to a great sauce is in the details, and taking the time to chop these ingredients finely will ensure they melt into the sauce, creating a smoother texture. Next, dice the fresh tomatoes. While canned tomatoes can be a handy substitute, using fresh tomatoes will give your sauce a vibrant, summery taste that's hard to beat. Heat the olive oil in a pan over medium heat, then add the onions and garlic. Sauté them until they're golden and fragrant, filling your kitchen with an irresistible aroma. This step is crucial as it builds the foundation of your sauce's flavor. Once the onions and garlic are ready, add in the tomatoes. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Let the tomatoes cook down, stirring occasionally, until they break down